You know that you can bring your smartphone, if you have a smartphone, from your local country to the Philippines. Now, what you want to do is stay tuned. Hello, my friends. This is Bob D coming to you from Lambon, Cebu, Philippines. I'm having an awesome time in the Philippines today. Hope you are as well, wherever you're from. Hey, today I want to talk to you about how to use your personal cell phone in the Philippines. How to use your personal cell phone in the Philippines. Yeah! Woo, what a joy this has come to you again, my friends. And today, I want to say for those of you that are here for the first time, you can click on that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you continue to see fresh new Philippine videos, motivational videos, and worldwide videos. Now, when you talk about the Philippines, you understand, this is a country where many people travel to for tourism every year. And many of them have a problem when it comes to communication. They want to carry their own phones to the Philippines and use it. They want to take the personal phones over to Asia and be able to use it. Now, there's many ways you can do it. One way is that you can get an international plan from your local carrier in your home country. Now, I got to tell you that if you do get an international plan on your home phone in your smartphone in your home country, it's going to cost you because the international plans are very high. But there's another way I want to let you know that you can bring your smartphone, if you have a smartphone, from your local country to the Philippines. Now, what you want to do is check with your local carrier wherever you are and find out if your phone is eligible to be able to be what's called unlocked. Now, in the Philippines, they call unlock having an open line. Okay, it's a little bit different, but it's the same term. The terminology is different, but it's the same meaning behind it. Now, what happens is their phones, if you have a smartphone, your local carrier will provide you, if it's capable of getting signal in the Philippines, they will provide you a code that's called an unlock code. They'll give you that unlock code and then you put it into your phone. They'll give you the instructions on how to do it, etc., etc. Then your phone is unlocked and able to receive signal and services in the Philippines. Okay? So, now, for an example, if you have a smartphone, an iPhone, and you want to come to the Philippines, and you would contact your carrier and say, hey, I'm going to the Philippines. I want to know what I need to do to use my personal phone in the Philippines. So your carrier will give you instructions, give you a code, and give you instructions on how to do that. Now, if you're having trouble when putting the code in, you would just go to your local carrier's office and they'll put it in for you. And what you do, after you put that code into your phone, unlock code, take your SIM card out of your phone, and purchase a local SIM card in the Philippines or whatever country you're going to. When you put that SIM card, the local SIM, you take your originating country SIM card phone out, put it in a safe keeping place because you're going to need it when you go back home. You take that out, and then you take your SIM card from the Philippines that you purchased and you put it in the phone. Once you've inserted the SIM card, then you'll be able to pick up signal from various carriers in the Philippines. Now, I got to tell you, there's 3 major telecommunications carriers in the Philippines. First one, smart telecommunications. Second one is Globe Telecommunications. And the third one is called Sun Telecommunications. Now, in the Philippines, their signal strength is based on where you are. I got to let you know also that the Philippines has one of the worst internet signal strength in Southeast Asia. So you're going to get various types of signal strength according to where you go. Okay? But keep in mind, in general, you're able to get a minimal signal strength, so you'll be able to text, you'll be able to make calls, and you'll be able to get on the internet when you have purchased your SIM card for the Philippines. Now, after you're done with your stay in the Philippines, you ready to go back home, you're simply going to take the Philippine SIM card out of your phone and then put your original local country SIM card back in your phone. Now, you want to do that after you have reached your local home country. You take the Philippine SIM card out and you put your local country SIM card back in, okay? And then it will work just like normal. if you're going to go to the Philippines and you want to use your local SIM card for the Philippines, then you would, when you get off the plane and you get in the airport, you're going to turn your phone off, remove your local country SIM card, and then purchase a Philippine SIM card and put that SIM card in. Now, because your phone has now been unlocked and is able to receive Philippines SIM card signals. Okay? Alright. Now, keep in mind that the cost for the SIM card is not very small fee. It's about 30 pesos, 30, 40 pesos, depending on which SIM card you get. So don't worry about is it going to be expensive. I can tell you, I've been doing this for years, and it's very, very inexpensive. The first year I moved to the Philippines, I got an international calling plan on my smartphone company's phone. And guys, it was huge. I used the phone in the Philippines fine, no problem. But when I got back to the States, I had a $400 bill. Yeah, that was like shock. So I scrambled. I was like, man, when I went back next time I went back, I had made sure that I did my homework and figured a way to do it. And I wanted to share this with you. Question for today. Have you ever traveled to Southeast Asia and used your personal smartphone? Leave your comments for me in the comment section of this video. And as always, remember to like, share, and subscribe. This is Bobby D saying take care, God bless, and peace.